Hello friends, in the previous period we have learned till question number 2 of that question number 1 in practice set 2.2. आपण अगोदरच्या पिरियड मध्ये काय पाहिलं होतं की क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मध्ये दुसऱ्या क्वेश्चन पर्यंत दोन सब क्वेश्चन झाले होते. नाउ थर्ड इज गोइंग ऑन. Steps you know how to solve. First add multiply first and last term. पहिला आणि लास्ट टर्मचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करा मध्ये काढा बघा. 2y square into 13 हे काय होणार आहे 13 to the 26y square. Okay, we want to multiplication 26y square and that addition of the two factors is 27. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन 26 पाहिजे आणि त्याची ऍडिशन तर पॉझिटिव्ह साइन असते त्याची ऍडिशन काय पाहिजे इथं सम किती पाहिजे 27 means 26 1 26 26 एक 26 26 एक 26 1 26 and 26 plus 1 27y. Okay, 26y and 1y. 26 ones 26 y by y square. Take 26y into 1y. That will be 26y square. आला लक्षात घ्या 26y square आला 26 ones 26 and y into y square. Multiplication be tally multiplication. Then addition you know that 26y plus 1y, that addition also we got 27. 26 plus 1y 27y. So these are the factors 26y 1. Okay, now see 2y square plus add this 27y. How can we write that 27y 26y plus 1y. आपण 26 कोड करू 27 काय करतो स्प्लिट त्याला असं लिहू शकतो 26 बाय फॅक्टर आहे दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह हे पण पॉझिटिव्ह हे पण पॉझिटिव्ह प्लस 1y 26 प्लस 1y किती आलं 27 या दोघांचं प्रोडक्ट सुद्धा काय येतं 26 येतं आणि 26 प्लस 1y 27 आणि प्रोडक्ट रिस्पेक्ट तुम्हाला मी आता सांगितलं 26 प्लस 1y 27y. ओके, we didn't write this 27y. आपण 27y राहिले काय डायरेक्ट 26y plus 1 plus 13 is equal to 0. आलं लक्षात. आता टेक ग्रुप ऑफ टू टूज दोन दोन चे गट करायचे मग पहा काय होतं therefore we can take common 2 and y also दोन कॉमन घेऊ शकतो का कारण this 26 is divided by completely divided by 2. So 2y common because y square is y. 2 both 2 and 26 are divisible by 2. So 2 and y square here y. So y also. So these two we took outside so we can't write inside. Y square is here so 1y goes to outside. So what will remain inside? Just 1. See here 2y into y 2y square. Okay, we didn't write here 2 because this 2 goes outside and this y square why did we write here just y आपण इथं y square लिहितो म्हणून इथं y square here is y square but why did we write here y because this y square means just y into y one y goes outside just one y remains right plus 2 into how many 26 2 13 are 2 13 are 13 2s are 2 13 they are 2 service किंवा 2 13 service and this y has gone outside so we can't write inside so close that bracket. Take one common from this one common we took one common y here this one goes outside one how many 13 so 1 30 is the 30 equal 13 was 30 okay is equal to 0. Understand? Now see this y plus 13 we have to take common that we have to write that in single bracket y plus 13 and in another bracket 2y plus 1 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 y plus 13 as it is and then 2y plus 1. Now see therefore what we can write? We can write here y plus 13 is equal to also 0. This bracket is also 0 and this also 0. Y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to also 0. This is rough for now, right? This is rough. Now see, y is equal to this positive, 13 goes here in negative, so 0 minus 13, that will be minus 13, or 2y is equal to this. First we have to take this one that side, plus 1 when it goes to right side, from left to right it becomes negative 1. Understand? Now see, y is equal to 9 minus 13, or now this we have to find just y's value. We don't want 2y, we want just y. Y is equal to this minus 1 we wrote, and here is multiplication 2 in multiplier. 2 is here in form of multiplication, it becomes here division. इथं multiplication मध्ये होतोय 2, हे division झालं. Okay, understand? So minus 30 and minus 1 by 2, these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. What we can write here? We have to write now. Therefore, minus 13 and minus 1 by 2 are roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Understand? Now pause that video and write or take a screenshot. Now fourth question, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. How to solve? कैसे सोल्व करें? ऐसे solve करना है. 5m square, a positive 22m, when it comes to right to left, it becomes negative 22m, right? This 15, when it comes to left side, it becomes also negative 15. There is no number by default, so therefore we wrote there 0. हे पहा, हे positive 22 negative 22 झाले आणि plus 15 negative झाले, minus झाले, is equal to पुढे काहीच राहिले नाही, no number is there, so we wrote 0. म्हणून आपण 0 लिहिलं. आता we know that this process multiply of this, multiplication of this first and last term numbers. Okay, so 5m square into minus 15. So 15 5s are how many? 15 5s are 75 and m square. Okay, but positive negative 75 m square. We want product 75 m square. 75 m वर्ग हे काय पाहिजे आपल्याला? गुणाकार पाहिजे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन पाहिजे, and that subtraction हे minus आहे, so subtraction of that is 22. Okay, मग काय येईल? आणि बिगर नंबरचं साइन आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? निगेटिव्ह पाहिजे. मग पहा कोणते फॅक्टर पडतात त्याचे? 25 3s are, see 25 3s are, but minus 25 plus 3, because we want bigger number in negative form. Negative positive 25 3 75, 25 3s are 75. Okay, 25 3 75, 25 minus 3 bigger number different signs of subtraction केलं. 25 minus 3 किती येतं? 22. 25 मधून 3 गेले 22, म्हणजे दोन्ही 10 झाले. ओके, so negative 25 plus 3, these are the factors. No need to write this totally, for understanding purpose I wrote. मी समजण्यासाठी हे तेवढं जरी लिहिलं आपण आपल्याला तरी चालेल. बघ इकडे कसं लिहायचं? 5m square minus 25 plus 3, so means this at the place of 25 we have to 22m, we have to split that. What we can write? Minus 25m plus 3m. Okay, we took these are factors. 25 3s are. Now see, 25m, this negative, this plus, this positive. 25 minus 3m, 22m bigger number sign. Tally. Minus 15 is equal to 0. Now take 2 2's group common. What we can take common from these two? 5 also, because this 5 and 25 is equal to 5. m square m. So m also we can take common. 5m, we took 5m as common. So 5 took outside, we can't write inside. 5 बाहेर निघतो कोण मध्ये लिहायचं m square. Here m goes outside, what one m remains inside. m square होता एक m बाहेर आला एक मध्ये राहील. Minus 5, how many 25? 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, right? This m goes outside, so don't write inside again. Bracket close. Understand? हे बाहेर घेतलेले म्हणून मध्ये नाही लिहिलं, राईट? या मध्ये टॅली करा 5m into m, 5m square, 5m into 5, 5 5 are 25, m is 6. Understand? Tally. Then 3 in bracket, 3 inside मध्ये काय आहे हा m. Okay, m 3 how many? That 15. Same bracket येत असतो m minus 3 5 is 15. Positive नाही पाहिजे, निगेटिव्ह यासाठी पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह पाहिजे. पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह 3 5 ला 15. पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह m minus 5 m minus same bracket आहे ना. Okay, now see we have to write m minus 5 in one single bracket and remaining numbers we have to write in one bracket. 5m plus 3. Understand? m minus 5 एका ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहिलं, remaining 5m plus 3 another bracket is equal to 0. Now m minus 5 is equal to 0 or that 5m plus 3 also 0. Understand? Now m is equal to minus 5 when it goes to 0 plus 5 then positive 5, m is equal to 5 or 5m we have to write as it is this. When first we have to take these 3 left to right. हे 3 आपल्याला तिकडे घ्यायचे. पॉझिटिव्ह 3 मायनस 3, 0 मायनस 3 मायनस 3, पॉझिटिव्ह 3 निगेटिव्ह 3. नाउ m is equal to 5 or m is equal to multiplication is here, so m is equal to minus 3. Negative multiplication form 5 becomes a division form. Multiplication मध्ये division मध्ये गेलो into 5 upon 5 minus 3 by 5. Understand? Now last line we have to write like this. So roots are 5 and another root is of minus 3 by 5 are roots of given quadratic equations, right? We wrote like this. Understand? Okay. Friends, now we have to learn fifth question of the question number 1. Fifth question how? Answer. First you know that we have to multiply first and last term. So see what 2 into this 1, this 2 and this 1 divided. 2 into 1 by 2. So what will be that? First number and last numbers we have to multiply that and we have to write it. So what will be answer? 2 into 1 by 2. See is equal to this 2 cancel. What will be remain? Just 1. Right? First number and last number multiplication. 2 into this 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, just 1 remain. We want product 1. We want multiplication 1 and that addition of that, both are positive 1, and addition of that two factors will be 2. So what are that factors? What will be that factors? 1 1 1. But answer we want negative. So negative some we know that negative minus 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1. This minus 1, this minus 1. Negative 1 negative 1. Minus 1 plus 1 2. And negative 2, but product negative positive 1. Understand? See, so minus 1x, these are the factors. Minus 1, minus 1. Now see, how can we write? 2x square minus. Here we didn't write x up, but here we have write minus 1x minus 1x, right? 1x, 2x, negative 2, right? Plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Understand? We tally it. Why are these are factors? Why these are factors? Minus 1, minus 2x, negative 1, negative 1, 1 once 1, negative, negative, positive. Okay? Now take 2 to group. दोन चे कट करा. मग पहा काय होतं. Here what we have to take common? 2 or 1? No, just we have to take x common. Here x square here x. Take x common. X. So what remain inside 2, and here x square 1x goes outside. Just what remain inside? Just x. X square is there. So 1x goes outside. Just x remain inside. x वर 2 x square मधून दोन x कॉमन घेतलं मध्ये फक्त राहिलं 2 आणि x square पैकी एक x बाहेर मध्ये राहिलं x. ओके मायनस just 1. We can't write this x because this x goes outside. Just 1 लिहिलं. Understand? हे x बाहेर आलं म्हणून फक्त काय लिहिले आपण 1 लिहिले. मायनस सी. आता याच्या आधी काय आपल्याला 1/2 कॉमन घ्यायचं. तुम्ही म्हणाल कसं आता बघा समजा इथं आपल्याला मध्ये 2x पाहिजे. जर 1 घेतला कॉमन समजा मध्ये काय राहिले x. इथं काय पाहिजे सेम एक सारखा ब्रॅकेट येतो ना. मग समजा आपण इथं 1/2 घेतलं. Suppose we took here 1/2 and we want answer here 1x. So how can we? So 1/2 into that 2 मध्ये काय राहिलं मग आपल्याला इथं 2x बघा इथं 2 घेतला तर काय होतं बघा आन्सर तुम्हाला 1 भेटतं का नाही. 1/2 into 2 1 2 ones 2 cancel 1. ओके 1/2 into किती ने मल्टीप्लाय करा 1/2 ला किती ने मल्टीप्लाय केल्यावर 1 येतं तर 1/2 ला आपण 2 ने मल्टीप्लाय करा. 1/2 into how many is equal to 1. 1/2 ला किती ने मल्टीप्लाय केल्यानंतर 1 येणार टॅली केल्यानंतर किती ने करावं लागेल मग 2. ओके आणि x एज बघा काय आहे 1/2 into 2 this 2 cancel 1. ओके आलं का इथं तर मध्ये 2x आहे प्लस 1/2 once 1/2 1/2 आलं टॅली करा 1/2 into 2x हे करून पहा काय येतं तुम्हाला 1x राहणार. ओके राहील 1x बघा 1/2 into 2 कॅन्सल किती राहिलं 1. 1/2 into 2 हे आलं 1 आणि x दशाला तसं 1/2 into 2 यांचं प्रोडक्ट पहा 1/2 into 2 मी पुन्हा सांगतो समजण्यासाठी 1/2 into 2 कॅन्सल राहिलं 1 आलं आणि x इथं कॉमन बाहेर घेतलं मध्येच राहिलं बरोबर प्लस 1/2 1/2 once 1/2 is equal to 0. Understand? Okay. Now, but here which sign? Here is negative and here is positive. So one correction is there. It should be negative. Minus plus. हे असं तयारी करावं minus plus. आणि हे जर तुम्हाला आता सांगितलं 1/2 into 2 हे काय होतं 1/2 into 2 कॅन्सल काय आलं 1. ओके हे 1 आलं x दशाला तसं म्हणून इथं 2 लिहिलं. ओके नाव 2x minus 1 एका ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहिलं राईट आणि x minus 1/2 अनदर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहिलं इज इक्वल टू 0. आता पहा what we can write 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1/2 is equal to also 0. So x is equal to this 1 negative 1 it goes here becomes positive. So 2x here remain 2x is equal to this minus 1 goes here becomes plus negative and plus or 0 plus 1 it will become 1 or x is equal to minus 1/2 positive 1/2. Okay now see x is equal to here is multiplication so x is equal to 1 into 2 upon 2 okay multiplication मध्ये division 1/2 or same x is equal to 1/2. So both factors are same. So therefore 1/2 and 1/2 are roots of given quadratic equation. given quadratic equation. Understand? Yeah, select. Okay. Now this example. Here we don't want x in denominator. Denominator मध्ये x नको, मग आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? We have to multiply this x to each term of the both sides. So we have to multiply 6x into that x. 6 ला किती मल्टिप्लाय केले x ने minus 2/x ला सुद्धा किती मल्टिप्लाय करायचे x ने आणि 1 into also x काय करायचे तर रिझन लिहायचे multiplying both side by x त्या x ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं दोन्ही बाजूला ओके नाउ therefore काय करावं लागेल 6x into x हे आपण अगोदरच्याच पिरियडला पाहिलं होतं डिनोमिनेटर मध्ये x ठेवत नाही आपण कोणताच नाही 6 into x काय आलंय 6x चा स्क्वेअर 6x into x स्क्वेअर 6x स्क्वेअर minus x कॅन्सल फक्त काय राहिलं तर -2 is equal to 1x once 1x okay x once x now therefore 6x square आता इथे x ची व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे मग काय करायचं पॉझिटिव्ह x इकडे घ्या this positive x goes to here and becomes negative minus x and this -2 is here also so don't change that sign -2 2 इथेच राहील -2 मग त्याचा साइन बदललाय फक्त पॉझिटिव्ह x निगेटिव्ह x ओके त्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिला राइट नाउ we have to multiply like this we have to solve now this example like same या स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिलं आता काय करायचं सॉल्व करायचं 6 into -2 6 into -2 6 2 is 12 but negative 12 positive negative तर काय नाही positive negative 12 understand आता पहा we want product or multiplication negative 12 and that subtraction minus sign with subtraction is 1x 1 subtraction मध्ये पाहिजे 1 मग पहा बरं कोणते फॅक्टर होता सबट्रॅक्शन 1 पाहिजे मग 6 2 जा साइन दोन्ही 12 होतात पण 6 तून 2 गेल्यानंतर किती राहतात 4 आता किती पाहिजे 1 पाहिजे 4 3 जा 4 3 12 बिगर नंबरचं साइन काय पाहिजे निगेटिव्ह पाहिजे मग -4 प्लस 3 4 3 12 पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह आणि 4 3 1 आणि बिगर नंबरचं साइन ओके now 3x here minus 3x and then plus plus 3x here and minus 4x here understand 3 4 3 4 the positive will negative 12 and here we can take now here both here we can take now 4 minus 3 1 bigger number sign okay now take common here take 2 to 0 3x we can take common here 3x well 3 how many 6 3 to 6 3 to 7 आणि इथे x square बोलून x बाहेर आला तर काय आलं फक्त x आहे ओके 3x once 3x 3x एक 3x बरोबर minus here 4x minus 2 what we can take common 2 दोन कॉमन घ्या मध्ये काय राहील 2 how many 4 2 2 is 4 2 2 is 4 and x as it is okay now 2 2 is 4 minus plus येणार प्लस मायनस प्लस मायनस ला कोणत्या साइन मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर निगेटिव्ह येते पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह आणि 2 1s 2 वेग ओके थोडंसं इकडे लिहितो मी आता हे रफ मध्ये ते 6 आणि is equal to 0 now understand now we can take 2x plus 1 we have to write that common in one bracket 2x plus 1 and another राहिलेले दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये another remaining 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 right now you can write 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 is also equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 होतो 3x minus 2 also 0. आता therefore 2x is equal to positive 1 तिकडे पाठवा minus 1 झाले. Understand? or 3x हे minus 2 तिकडे पाठवा 0 plus 2 positive 2 झाले. plus 1 minus 1 झाले minus 2 0 वर पाठवले positive 2 झाले. okay now x is equal to minus 1 by 2 हे का ब्रॅकेट मध्ये आलं और x is equal to into 3 2 by 3 into 3 upon 3 2 by 3. So these are the rules of given quadratic equation. I have right here. Therefore minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation. Okay, take a screenshot.